Hey everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming on today to share a card with you that I made with one of my favorite Spellbinders dies. So I have this little mini series going on where I use my Spellbinders dies. Usually it's a new one I like to share with you, but this time I'm revisiting an old friend, and I wanted to share the card that I made with it. So let's show you the other things that I use. First, this Paper Studios adhesive gems, the gold ones. So I don't tend to use the larger ones, but I do use the little baby ones. So use that. And then this Creative Expression Crafty Die by Lisa Horton. This is one of my favorites. It's a square shape, and the square shape used to be my favorite card to use, when I mailed cards out, but I cannot find the card bases anymore for the square, so that kind of makes me sad, but I was able to, I still have just like a few left. I think I have maybe like 5 square bases left, and I could make some and make the envelopes, but I don't like doing that. So anyway, I use this really beautiful die set by Creative Expressions. And then the Spellbinders dies that I use was the Club Blooms. Now, this one's been around for a while, January 2023, but I keep going back to it because of the florals. It's just so pretty, and then it has the greenery, and it's just a perfect little die set for when you need flowers for a card. And let me show you the card that I made. So here's the card. It's for my sister-in-law, and I cut the 70 out on my Cricut, just using a kind of like a funky font. I can't remember which one it was, but I wanted one to kind of look, like the 60s. And then I just made the colors. I chose these colors based on, and I have to show you something I received new for my birthday. And that was, I'm gonna try to grab it here. Oh, the craft cubes. I got both of them, the more lighter set and then the darker set. And I don't know if you guys have used this, but I have a difficult time sometimes choosing colors. So I figured, maybe this would help me. And I was gonna show you the color combination that I used, but I forgot to write it down. And anyway, but it showed me that the green and this really pretty blue and then a lighter green would look really well together. So what I did was, instead of using a lighter green, let me move this out the way, I used what was already cut out that I had in the there's some little extras that I had in the die set here. These gold ones, some of them are gold, and I think one is yellow, but I thought this looks fantastic, and I think she's gonna love it. She loves getting cards that I make for her, and I've already, completed the card. I don't like to show the inside of a card when I'm giving it to someone else because I want it to be their surprise. So anyway, let me know what you think below of the card. I think it turned out great. I just love the colors, and thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. And be sure to hit that like button if you like the video. Thank you.